My name is Rachel Shelby. This is my video summary of my animal adaptation lesson that I did with my first grade class. Learning objectives. Students will identify similarities and differences between organisms adapted to different environments. Students will recognize that there are different environments around the world, each with unique characteristics, and students will describe ways that humans adapt to different environments. I've listed my standards through the Next Generation Science Standards. They will use materials to design a solution to a human problem, structure and function, information processing, ask questions, make observations, and gather information about a situation. People want to change to define a simple problem, and develop a simple sketch drawing or physical model to illustrate how the shape of an object helps its function as needed to solve the given problem. Also, I use the empowered learner. Students leverage technology to take an active role in choosing, achieving, and demonstrating competency in their learning goal. Knowledge constructor. Students critically curate a variety of resources using digital tools to construct knowledge. And innovative designer. Students use a variety of technologies within a design process to identify and solve problems by creating new, useful, or imaginative solutions. Learning activities. Students will sort animal cards based on their camouflage, gathering of food, protection, and locomotion. Students will review the 4 environments and research animals and plants that survive there. Students will draw out design for a traveler's shoe, and students will design the shoe for the traveler after selecting their environment. Learning artifacts. I have them researching here using their one-to-one technology. They were able to use the Epic app and also the National Geographic for Kids. At this time, they just selected different animals that they wanted to find out more information on. Also, this is a student recorded using the animal sorting cards. You could play the video, and they are sorting based off of locomotion, camouflage, gathering food, and protection. Feedback. I feel that I needed more informational text on the animals and more focus on the plants in each environment. Information on people that already live in the environments at the end of the unit. So before showing students what maybe other clothing and shoes are already worn there, at the end of the unit I could have showed them more examples. I have an assessment listed here, and also the shoes that were designed and videos presenting each of the shoes and the reason for them and the materials used.
Desert. On your trip, you may right now you're headed to the art head in the desert.
I've attached my lesson plan and my reflection sheet as well.